Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use a black overlay to create black bar effects on your video. So first you need to import your video and then add a black overlay from the stock videos. Then adjust the size until it covers all parts of your video. Set the durations into your liking. I'm going to set it for the rest of the video. Then add a keyframe at the beginning of the overlay and go to mask. Click on film strip and then click on invert. So you need to zoom it in until you can't see the black overlay again. Okay. After that, click on the check icon and add another keyframe before the end of the clips. Okay, I'm going to add it in here. Then go to mask again. Then zoom out the black overlay until it looks like this. Okay, I think it's enough, and then click on the check icon and add another keyframe after you move a bit in here, and then add the last keyframe at the end of the clips and go to mask again and zoom in again like this. Click on the check icon, then go in between the first and second keyframes and go to grabs and select the ease out one. Click on the check icon, then add another grabs in between the last two keyframes, but now select the ease out 3. Okay, so you are done with the black bar effect and it will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.